Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Life Made Easy. And today, guys, just bringing you a quick update video about what's going to be coming this summer, so you guys can stay tuned for all the good content that's going to be coming out. Now, first of all, now that summer, I got a lot more free time to upload content for you guys. Planning on uploading as much good quality content as possible for you guys. I want to do a bunch of product reviews. I got a bunch of speakers over there and stuff to upload as well. So I got a bunch of stuff coming. I'm pretty sure I got a bunch of emails from companies asking me to do reviews for them. I know a backpack company, in addition to I think a wallet company, even emailed me. So guys, I've got tons of reviews coming. So if you want to stay tuned for these videos, I know YouTube hasn't been putting out my content as frequently to you guys and letting you guys, or notifying you guys. So if you guys want to be notified exactly when I upload, and you want to know as soon as an upload goes up and you want to watch it, click that notification bell and click be notified all the time. That's the easiest way. YouTube subscribe button doesn't really mean that much anymore. So guys, you got to hit that notification bell, and because that will actually notify you every single time, guaranteed. So with that being said, I also have a bunch of tutorials coming out too, very popular tutorials, because as you guys can see right here, got my Xbox, got all these Xbox games. I can do reviews on those and stuff. So I got that coming. So guys, bunch of Xbox tutorials. Those always do well on my channel. I can do some PC tutorials too on my laptop here. So yeah, guys. So big takeaways here. I'm going to be doing some awesome tech review stuff. I'm going to be doing some awesome tutorials. Got a bunch planned. Got a ton of videos. We're shooting for 10K subs, guys. So if you're new and you're watching this, subscribe right now. Turn on notifications. Know exactly when I upload. I'm going to be posting a lot more on Instagram. I'm going to be doing a podcast, guys, if you're unaware. I'm going to be doing some collabs with other YouTubers, stuff like that. So if you guys want to watch all that good stuff, get notified, see it, like the videos, and just stay tuned, guys, because some awesome stuff is coming soon. With that being said, guys, I'll see you in the future in the next video. Peace out.